Ayan na. Okay, Shen.
Ay! Nawala! Ulit! Sir, baka di naman na-save. Sir, baka di naman na-save. Grabe naman, sir! Ay, makinig ka sa sir!
Okay. Lakasan. Okay. Bilhin mo.
Okay. Happy birthday, Cash. Of course, thank you for being a good friend, also a student. And I pray that you trust other people too much and stay kind to us. Thank you kasi thank you kasi naging good friend ka sa kahit anong ways ng life namin. And sana makahanap ka nga ng right guy. And I know this is the time and this is the day of your legality na alam ko di ko lang magsimula yung youthful challenges mo sa life. And yun na, happy birthday. You know that we love you so much. And palagi ka mag-iingat sa mga decisions mo sa life. I love you, happy birthday.
Okay, very good. Okay, nice message. Next. Inesi, tapos ka na ba? Hen. Ay, ikaw ba? Si Denise. Wait lang, kung may nagme-message, huwag naman maingay. Makinig ka kayo. Si Sam naman, kasi nandyan lang. Kung gusto ko naman air transfer. Denise. Okay, beautiful.
Napakaibig lang ang message ko sa'yo. Happy birthday. Kami na
Take it from Denise. Huwag mo na mag-boyfriend. Ako ikaw next. Arnie, ikaw next na. Sipan.